Good morning, guys, and happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a fabulous Friday this morning. Char and I just went out right now. We got some coffee. I am in Toronto, and this is an update on my brows. They are still pretty bold and scary. They're not as red as they were before. Today we don't really have too much on the go. Char and Connor are having people over tonight, so we're gonna have to like clean the apartment, go out and do some errands, get some stuff for dinner, get some drinks. I really want to go downstairs and go to their gym in the building. I've heard that it can be pretty busy though. I did bring workout clothes and running shoes, so maybe if I have a chance I'll go down later on and see. But besides that, that's kind of the only plans I have today. I think I'm staying until Sunday, and then tomorrow we're hanging out with our friends, but that's what we're doing right now. So I'm gonna start editing this vlog right now, and then I'll update you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, we are ready. This is my outfit. I'm wearing some jeans, a little black top with this like long sleeve cover up. It's two pieces, but it's kind of fun because I don't know, I like long sleeves on shirts, and I can just make any little black top a long sleeve with this. So this is what I'm wearing. It is about 8 o'clock right now. This is an update on the brows. They are still pretty dark, but I did kind of darker makeup to try and take away from the brows and like did my hair, so hopefully it will be okay. But yeah, I'm probably not gonna vlog at the party. Whenever I bring my vlog camera out, everyone always wants to take it and vlog on it, which I love, but I'm just so worried that it's gonna get broken or someone will drop it or something, so maybe I'll do a couple clips on my phone. But tomorrow is Saturday, so I will try and get lots of content tomorrow. Anywho, time to party! Good morning, guys. It is
good afternoon.
True, it is afternoon right now. It is Sunday. Char and I are heading out to Queen West. I didn't really vlog a lot yesterday. We honestly just watched the whole season 2 of Bridgerton. Like ate pizza and hung out with our friends at night. So I pretty much didn't leave the apartment, but now we are going shopping. We are going to Queen West, so let's go spend some money.
Let's go.
Okay guys, we are doing a DIY home project right now. This island Connor and Char got for, how much was it, like
I think 150 or something.
150. It's an IKEA island, but it was actually in pretty good shape when they got it originally. But what we're doing, we're going to sand the top of the island and then completely restain it. Like, it's not bad, there's just like markings on it, so I feel like if we
there's
stain
like stains here that will not come out. Like,
yeah,
that looks kind of like burnt in.
Yeah, so anyways, Char just went to the grocery store, but Connor and I are going to try and DIY this island right now.